morning, class. Let us all stand and pray. Prayer leader, please lead the prayer. Amen. Okay, before you take your seats, I would like you all to please pick up the pieces of papers under your chairs and have your chairs properly aligned. Alright, you may now take your seats. Now, let us first have a short recap on what we have discussed last week. Who would like to share what we have discussed last week? Anybody? Yes. Very good. Last meeting, we have discussed sequences. And who can define what sequences are? Yes. Very good, precisely. A sequence is a function whose domain is in the finite or infinite set. And who can differentiate finite sequence from infinite sequence? Anyone? Yes. Very good. That's right. Amazing. Finite sequence is a sequence who has ending elements, while infinite sequence do not have. It is endless. Alright. Is that clear? Are there any questions with regards to our topic discussed last week? Okay. Alright. And because of that, I believe you are ready to learn more. Am I right? Alright. Now, before we go to our discussion, let us first have an activity. I will group you into 3 groups and we will have this activity entitled, What Do We Have in Common? So, the activity goes like this. Below are squares formed by popsicle sticks. So, do you see this picture? Alright, it is 5 sets of squares formed by popsicle sticks. And you would count the number of popsicle sticks in each figure and record your observation in the table below. So, the table here will be used for you to be able to tally and record your observation. Do you have any questions with regards to our activity? Alright, if there is none, I would give you 15 minutes to finish and complete the activity. Okay, your timer starts now. Are you done? Everybody, 15 minutes is up, so I presume you are done already. Okay, so for now, I will ask a member of each group to present to the front their observation. Okay, is that clear? Okay, from the group 1, the floor is yours. Very good presentation. How about the group 2? Very good presentation as well. How about the group 3? Okay, that's very good presentation. Okay, based on your presentations, all of you and all of the groups have come up with a very similar observation. And this observation is presented in this table. Am I right? Are your observation like this? Yes, that's right. Since all of you have come up with this observation, I would like to ask you, how did you come up with the number of popsicle sticks? Is there a pattern? How would you describe it? Is there a pattern? Yes, there is. And if there is, how did you form each number? Anyone? Very good, that's right. Okay, we can obtain the next number by adding 3 to the preceding number. For example, in the first set of square, you would notice that there is only one square. And if there is one square, how many popsicle sticks were utilized? Yes, there are 4. And in order to get the next term after the first, which is 4, we need to add 3 to the preceding term. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. And 13 plus 3 is 16. Is that right? Okay. Given this condition, the series of numbers represented by the number of popsicle sticks 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16 is a sequence. And what kind of sequence is that? Anyone? Very good. That is an arithmetic sequence. Then the series of numbers represented by the number of popsicle sticks shows an arithmetic sequence. Is that clear? Alright, am I getting across? Okay, before we go to our discussion proper, I would like to present to you our lesson objectives for today's lesson. Okay, let us all read. At the end of the lesson, the students would be able to, number 1, defines arithmetic sequence. The second one, supplies the missing terms in each arithmetic sequence. And the third one, and the last, observe the value of accuracy. Okay, since I already have presented to you the lesson objectives, let us now examine this given set of numbers. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, in this number, what can you say? Is this an arithmetic sequence? Yes, very good. And why do you think so? Yes, very good. It is an arithmetic sequence because we added a constant term to obtain the next term. So, what is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first term is obtained by adding a constant called the common difference. So, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first term is obtained by adding a constant called the common difference, which is denoted by D. Okay, again, let's go back to our set of numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. In this given set of numbers, you said that this is an arithmetic sequence. If it is, what is its common difference? Yes, very good. The common difference is 2. And to further elaborate, we have here the formula to find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. We have D, or the common difference, is equal to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1. Okay, is this clear? Am I getting across? Furthermore, each number in an arithmetic sequence, or any sequence, not only an arithmetic sequence, each number in any sequence is called a term. A term is any number or element in a sequence. Okay, is that clear? Yes. So, let's go back again to our given set of numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, in this given set of numbers, what is the first term, the second term, the third term, and so on and so forth? So, who would like to try what is the first term? Yes? The first term is 1, and first term is denoted by A sub 1. How about the second term? The second term is 3, and it is denoted by A sub 2. The third term is 5, and it is denoted by A sub 3. How about the fourth term? The fourth term is 7 and it is denoted by a sub 4. How about the fifth term? The fifth term is 9 and it is denoted by a sub 5. Okay, is this clear? Are there any questions with regards to finding the terms in each arithmetic sequence? Okay, very good. So, we can observe that there are only 5 terms, right? We have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Suppose we are about to find the 20th, the 50th, or even the 100th term of this sequence. How are we going to find them? Do you think a formula would help? Yes, that's right. Definitely. We really need to find a formula in order to find the nth term of a sequence. But what is the formula? If a sub 1 and d, or if the first term and the common difference are given, it is easy to find any term of any arithmetic sequence by using the rule a sub n is equivalent to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d, where a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Okay, and is this clear? Am I getting across? Is the formula now clear to you? Okay, again class, you need to familiarize yourselves with the formula because we are going to use it all over and over again. Is that clear? Alright. Again, let's go back to our given set of numbers. There are only 5 terms, right? What if we need to find the 10th term? What is the 10th term of this sequence? Okay, who would like to try? Yes. Yes, very good. The 10th term is 19. So how did you get it? Okay, since a sub 1 or the first term is 1 and the common difference is 2, we can use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d. N is 10 because we are about to find the 10th term. So n is 10. So let's substitute the values in this formula. So we have 1 plus the quantity of 10 minus 1 multiplied by 2. 10 minus 1 is 9 times 2 is 18 plus 1 is 19. Thus, our 10th term of this sequence is 19. Okay, are there any questions? Do you know now how to find the nth term of a sequence? Yes. Okay, very good. So, and because of that, because you have no questions, please get your notebooks. Please answer this problem on your notebook, and I will call somebody later to present his or her solutions and answer it in front of the class. Okay. Suppose you jog to maintain good health. On the first day of the week, you run 150 meters. On the second day, 155 meters. On the third day, 160 meters. On the fourth day, 165 meters. How many meters should you cover on the 8th day? Okay. Is that clear? Is this activity clear? Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to finish the activity. Are you done? Your time is up. 5 minutes is up. Okay. I want you, miss, to please present your answer. Okay. Very good. The 8th term, or on the 8th day, you should cover 185 meters. So, please let us now elaborate how did we come up with that answer. So, according to Miss, we must first find the common difference. Is that right? Yes, because there is no given common difference in the problem, we need to find first the common difference. And the common difference is 5. Very good. Since we already know the common difference in the first term, how did we get the first term, by the way? Yes, we got the first term through the first day of jogging. On the first day of jogging, you run 150 meters. So that is your first term. Okay, we already have the first term and the common difference. Now, what is n? Yes, n is 8 because we are supposed to find the 8th term or the distance covered on your 8th day of jogging, right? Okay, since we already know the values, we just need to substitute those values in the formula. Okay, so the formula again is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d. By substitution, we got 150 plus the quantity of 8 minus 1 multiplied by 5. Again, let's simplify. 8 minus 1, 7 multiplied by 5, 35 plus 150, 185. Thus, you should cover 185 meters on your 8th day of jogging. Okay, is this clear? Okay, by the way, who got the same answers? Wow, that's very good. It's nice to hear that all of you got the same answers because that is right. Okay. Okay, now please get a whole sheet of pad paper, and I want you to answer our evaluation for today. Give the common difference and supply the missing terms in each arithmetic sequence. Okay, you have 5 items. You need to find the common difference and the missing terms of each arithmetic sequence. Is this clear? Alright, I will give you 10 minutes. Is 10 minutes enough? Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to finish the activity. Your time is up. Okay, please, are everybody done? Please exchange your papers with your seatmates and we will answer our activity. Okay, number 1, the missing terms are, who would like to try? Yes, 11 and 14, and the common difference is 3. How about number 2? The missing terms are, yes, very good, negative 3 and 2, and the common difference is 5. How about number 3? What is the missing terms? Yes, the missing terms are negative 11 and negative 5, and the common difference is 6. How about the 4th term? Yes, the common difference is 1, and the missing terms are 9 and 10. How about the 5th and the last? Very good. The common difference is negative 4, and the missing terms are 4 and 2. Okay. Okay, please pass your papers to the front. By the way, who got a perfect score? Wow! It's nice to see that most of you, majority of the class, get the perfect score. Very good. Let's clap our hands for the good work. Okay. Since we are done with our evaluation, I want to ask if there is any questions. Are there any questions? Is our lesson clear? Before I end our discussion, I would like to give an assignment so that you will continue to enhance your skills and knowledge in your homes. Okay, our assignment is like this. Find the following nth terms in an arithmetic sequence with 25 as the first term and 3 as the common difference. Show your complete solutions. So you need to show your complete solutions, write it on your notebooks, and we will have it checked by tomorrow morning, first in the morning before we start our discussion. So given this problem, you need to find the 3rd and the 5th term. Okay, is there any questions with regard to our assignment? Okay, there is none. Okay. Okay, now before I end our session for today, I would like to end our session with this quote by Eric Hoffer that says, "The hardest arithmetic to master is that which enables us to count our blessings." So that would be all for today. See you again tomorrow, class. Class is dismissed.